Okay, hi everyone. If you're unemployed and looking for work and thinking you may need help, I want to show you something that I created at the Career Network Club. I call it the Career Coaching Return on Investment Calculator. It's quite simple and it helps you understand whether or not a career coach would be something that would provide you a return on investment. Let me explain how this works. It's going to ask you two questions. First question it's going to say is, tell us, how long do you think it'll take you to get back to work on your own with no one's help? You come up with a number. Industry principle is if you're making, you're a month for every $10,000 you're earning. So if you're earning 60,000, then it should take you 6 months. If you're earning 120,000, it should take you a year. So in this example, let's say we think it's going to take us 270 days, which should be 9 months. And you can see beside it, it does come back and calculates 9 months. Then it's going to ask you one other question, and that is, how much are you considering paying for a coaching fee? And there's a whole bunch of different prices out there, upwards, beyond 5,000. I myself am only $1,000. But you put in the coaching fee that you're looking at. Let's just say for fun, $2,500. What it's going to do then is it's going to say, if you think it's going to take you 90 days or 9 months, all right, so 270 days, if a coach could help you a little, then that means they're going to reduce that by 5%. So instead of 90 days or 270 days, it would be 5% of 270. And it comes back and says, then your savings would be $1,810.34. All it's doing there is saying 270 times 5% times your daily rate. And so you'll see these squares that are red. It says that's indicating that all of these numbers are less than the 2,500 for the coaching fee. So it is saying in this situation, if you're making $35,000 a year and you don't believe a coach is going to be able to do that much for you, then it's not a good financial idea. However, if you think they can do something, i.e. I have a 10% impact, then it is a good idea, and then further up to 25%. So you'll see in this scenario here, for the most part, once you get over 50,000, a coach does, pay back, provide you the return on investment that you want. But let's look at a different scenario. Let's say you're going to be out a year, and I haven't pre-established these scenarios. I'm making them up as I go through this with you. And let's say the coaching fee is 5,000. Now you'll see the red squares show out and say, if you're making $35,000 a year, the coach has to start to make some impact, definitely, for you to get a return on investment. And all the way down to 70,000, you have some risk if they don't do much, because they're not. But for the most part, you can see all this green means if you fall in those situations, then a coach likely is good. Now let's take a look at myself at $1,000. And the way the $1,000 comes up, it's very simple. I charge $100 just to start, and then it's $60 a week for 12 weeks. If after 12 weeks you still haven't found a job, then you stop paying me and you keep using my services for free. So I do give a guarantee on that side. So $1,000, and you can see everybody on the chart. My coaching program does make sense. Now, I'm not showing you to brag about my rates or my fees. I'm showing you to share this tool. So it is available for you to download. And all you need to do is put in the number of days you believe it will take you to find a job without anybody's help. So, 270 days. And put in what you're looking to pay for in a coaching fee. You said 3,500. Then what you do is you come down here, you say, okay, where's my salary? My salary is $60,000. If they help very little, I have some risk, but for the most part, I think most coaches are going to give you at least a 15% return on help. All right, considering they're going to help you with your resume, which is going to make a difference. They're going to help you with your interview skills. That's going to make a difference. They're going to help you with some networking. That's going to make a difference. They're going to help you with some accountability. So it's very fair to say most coaches out there will be able to help you in the 15% level. All right. Now, again, if you were to look at it, perhaps a deluxe coaching program at $10,000, here's what you see. It really doesn't make sense if you're making 35,000 a year. Makes little sense if you're making 45, even 50,000. And it starts to be a safe bet when you're making $100,000. And this green means go. That's good. The red means stop and think about it, because there's a really good chance you will pay more than the return that they'll be able to help you. So if you're interested in this tool, just reach out to me and I will send you a copy. You can email Kurt, Curt .skene, Skene, at kurtskene.com, or Kurt at Career Network Club, all one word, .ca. All right, I'll put them here on the spreadsheet so you can see.